Welcome to our Beard Trimmer Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two fantastic grooming tools, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit. Both of these products promise to deliver excellent grooming results, but which one is the best for you? Let's dive in and find out. When it comes to price, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is priced at $57, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable grooming tool. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit is priced at $69, which is slightly higher but offers a wider range of features. Let's see if the extra cost of the SHPAVVER is justified by its additional functionalities. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro comes with a 12-in-1 comb that allows for various grooming styles, making it suitable for trimming beards, mustaches, and even body hair. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Grooming Kit boasts 16 different attachments, including clippers for hair, beard, and even nose hair, giving it a significant edge in versatility. This makes the SHPAVVER a more comprehensive grooming solution for those who want to tackle multiple grooming tasks with one device. Both products are designed with user experience in mind. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro features an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to maneuver during use. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit offers a professional feel with its robust build and intuitive controls, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. However, the added complexity of multiple attachments may require a bit of practice to master. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the SHPAVVER 16-in-1 Grooming Kit have their strengths and weaknesses. The OneBlade is a great choice for those looking for an affordable and user-friendly option, while the SHPAVVER offers more versatility and features for a slightly higher price. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.